Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Hedera and Ripple, reshaping financial services. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Ripple and Hedera. So do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with both of them in real time, what the official handles are saying and what the community is saying. Let's try to find out. So let's begin with Hedera and their official handle. Let's see if they've got anything new for us. Okay, so 9 minutes ago, Hbar Foundation, Catch Neuron World and company to discuss the intersection of AI agents and Deepin on Hedera. So if you're interested in AI agents and Deepin, you can check this out, the synergy for tomorrow's infrastructure. While we're at it, you can see that how many different sectors Hedera is involved with: AI, Deepin, tokenization, and a lot of different stuff that Hedera is doing. Okay, talking about tokenization, here it is. In a panel hosted by, just a moment, let me open this up. In a panel hosted by AAH Foundation, We Are All Human Foundation, basically, a public charity devoted to advancing equity, diversity, and inclusion. During Davos, Hedera CFO Betsa Bank Project Liberty over here. Project Liberty, okay. I beg your pardon. Project Liberty. And Shaila Warren, Cabrera Capital Markets CEO Martin Cabrera, and writer and editor Matt Bish explode how tokenization is reshaping the financial services landscape. Tokenization, as you know, is a multi-trillion-dollar industry that needs no introduction at this point, because real-world assets and the tokenization of physical commodities, physical goods, luxury items, there are so many things that tokenization can reshape, to be honest, and Hedera is a part of it, to be honest, to drive innovation and foster inclusion. Really good. Look at this. Orbis over here says that a powerful discussion with visionary leaders highlighting how tokenization is revolutionizing finance and promoting inclusion. Excited to see how this shapes the future. Indeed, Hedera and Ripple, they're trying to shape the future and the world of finance as we know it. Okay, so what is this? What are link pages? KiloScribe link pages are decentralized alternative to link in bio platforms like Linktree. Unlike traditional platforms, link pages store all content on the Hedera hash graph, showcasing the broader potential of on-graph content beyond NFTs. When we talk about innovation, Hedera is always in the forefront, in the front, folks. When it comes to innovation, let's see what this is all about. Come on. Awesome. Let's see what else do we have. Thanks to Hedera and Fortune magazine for having me join this excellent panel on building responsible AI, focusing on data governance frameworks. This is Teresa Goody Gullon, Mom and army wife, partner, lawyer, host of Bulls, Bears, and Blockchain. Formerly SEC.government. So this you can see the company that Hedera rubs its shoulder with. So this is great. Rubbing shoulders with the financial institutions or ex-employees or that sort of company. Charles Atkins over here says this is one of the reasons I joined Hedera ecosystem to begin with. Single point pressure resistance by way of our governing council. Having representatives from top organizations around the globe, along with the ecosystem partner board members, provide a solid layer of decentralization and sage advice that mitigates a lot of the single failure point risks. This is awesome. Okay. Yeah, this is great. The governing council of Hedera is really good. You know that it is stacked like with the likes of Google, DHL, I think so. It is indeed stacked. Let's see some community posts as well while we're at it. Some technicals over here. Steph is crypto says that all Hbar holders will become rich according to this post. Look at this. Almost a 10x from this point. 3.21320, 32 cents at the moment, or 33 cents. I do not know what the price is at the moment. This is 9 hours ago, by the way. But look at this triangle. It has been broken. It is trying to retest this area over here. If it flies according to this post, it will reach these levels soon. So hopefully it reaches this price point somewhere down the line. Okay, this is crazy. Hbar and MTech are working to service unbanked people in one quadrillion global CBDC market right now. First, we talked about trillions. Now we're talking about quadrillions. The stakes are getting high. MTech is a global leader in modern central banking. Their aim is to drive financial inclusion by connecting the unbanked populations of the world. Here's what they're already doing. Check this out. MTech works directly with central banks in Ghana, Nigeria, Liberia, and the Caribbean to deploy digital cash infrastructure, regulatory sandboxes, and compliance tools. They help in testing, innovation, and eventual rollout of CBDCs. MTech's platform could capture a substantial percentage of the $1 quadrillion currencies and derivatives market. So look at this, folks. I mean, these are astonishing figures over here, and we're talking about tangible stuff over here, like what's the physical stuff that's happening around the globe with hard cash. We're talking about currencies and whatnot. Amtech's CBDC innovation kit. I'm being ironical because obviously CBDCs are the central bank digital currencies and are and want to be digital, obviously. But you get what I'm talking about. The CBDC innovation kit is now public, allowing fintechs and banks to experiment with digital cash scenarios. Accenture, a global leader in IT services and consulting with an annual revenue of $64.9 billion in 2024, has invested in Amtech. They aim to integrate Amtech solutions into their core banking transformations. With Amtech's direct partnership with central banks, the backing of industry giants like Accenture, and all built on Hedera. Look at this, all built on Hedera. The future looks promising for digital currency adoption. So this is what we're talking about. This is also a really great idea for the title of this video, Disrupting Quadrillions. I mean, yeah, why not? Let's see if this indeed is true, and eventually projects like Hedera and Ripple, they try to disrupt these markets. Who knows? What do you guys think at this point? Obviously, it is a bit overambitious, but in the future. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Ripple as well while we're at it. Let's check out the official handles, and then we can go on and check the community posts as well. January 20th, Asia is shaping the future of digital assets. Explore 3 trends in the region. Look at this. Growing adoption. Yeah, this is true. In comparison to a lot of different regions around the globe, Asia is one of the regions that is trying to grow the adoption of digital assets. It has 9 countries in the top 20 for global crypto use. Forward-thinking regulations in Singapore, Hong Kong, and beyond. This is also a great sign, obviously. Major banks are stepping up with innovative custody solutions. I mean, the platform is really digital asset friendly, tech friendly, basically. Top digital asset trends in Asia Pacific. And a lot of these projects can benefit by providing their services to Asia. Okay, 2025 is the year of the stablecoin. As US regulation advances, standards will evolve, innovation will expand, and real utility will take off. Ripple and RLUSD are ready to lead the charge. Thanks to Alice Key and Digital Frontier for sharing my insights. Awesome. Okay, so this is Brad Garlinghouse. Let's see what he has to say. One industry, one language. Just a moment. Let's hear what Brad has to say.
The change of administration in the United States is going to dominate a lot of the conversation about crypto and how that, from a regulatory perspective, starts to signal a shift.
People are waiting eagerly to see whether US Bitcoin reserve will be set up.
I think that speaks to not just positive, but perhaps an embrace of this technology as being the future of finance.
I think a lot of folks would look at it and say, well, I think a lot of folks would look.
Just a moment, what is this? Supervision and sovereignty, competition or collaboration, finding the right balance in global regulations, I think, yeah. So this is good. The regulation talks are always welcomed because utility without regulations wouldn't be possible, I think, because a lot of blockades and barriers in the way of mass adoption.
I think a lot of folks would look at it and say, well, it's a little bit of a risk, you know. 6 months ago, it was riskier to build in Web3 or in crypto because you did have that uncertainty.
As an industry, we've got to come together. We can't all have different views on what good regulation looks like. Otherwise, we will slow down the process. We've got to speak with one voice very clearly about what we're looking for and work with the new administration towards that.
Some of the conversations that we're having here at CFC, I think, will result in the industry better organizing itself to speak with one voice in favor of good crypto policy in the years to come.
The change.
A really well-made video, to be honest. And by the way, we saw some good names over here. We've got John Wood, CTO, Algorand Foundation. By the way, talking about Algorand, Algorand has also become a mainstay in this channel, which we cover constantly. Like it has become a mainstay. I plan to cover it regularly now. Anyways, let's see what's happening with XRP community. Do we have any good posts? Okay. What do we have? Breaking. Rex shares has just filed for Trump. Okay, meme coin. Trump meme coin frenzy is in the air at the moment, so we might get a lot of posts on that. Brad Garlinghouse, according to Random CryptoPal over here. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO at Ripple, explains that creators of XRP Ledger have been early engineers of Bitcoin who saw problems that BTC had and decided to build a better product, which is XRP. That's why we hear saying BTC was a beta test coin, XRP is the final product. Let that sink in. Let's see what Brad has to say over here.
I will correct one thing right out of the gates. Ripple did not actually issue XRP. The XRP ledger is an open source, decentralized technology, not dissimilar than Bitcoin. And some of the creators of the XRP ledger actually had been early engineers that worked on Bitcoin, and they saw some of the scalability problems that Bitcoin is likely to have, the speed, both from an energy consumption, cost, some of the other problems, and they wanted to build a better digital asset to solve some of these problems. I will correct one thing right out of the gates.
Okay, so XRP plans to be the problem solvers the problem solver and the problems, the scalability issues that existed in Bitcoin. They wanted to solve that, the engineers there. So yeah, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse on XRP being the next Bitcoin. Yet again, I think A lot of people are now active XRP Avengers now. Ripple CEO Brett Carlinghouse. Did you believe in what Brett said? XRP is a global currency. Okay. Let's check this video out.
Scale, then I think it's a compliment. I think if we're solving...
I think he'll talk about the scalability issue again, I guess.
Well, I think if we're solving a real problem and it's at scale, then I think it's a compliment. I think the most important thing that is going on in crypto is understanding what is real and what is just hype. Some, I think, may look back on Bitcoin and find that it was the Napster of digital assets. What I mean by that is Napster was the first to digitize music and demonstrate, hey, if you digitize music, you can do a lot of cool things with that. But ultimately, they were circumventing trademark laws, they were circumventing royalty payments, and governments stepped in, and Napster was not successful. But Spotify, iTunes, Pandora, they were very successful. I think what you'll find is that maybe the next generation of digital assets ends up solving some of the original problems that Bitcoin set out to solve. Is XRP the next Bitcoin? If we work with the system to solve this problem, and we can solve that problem at scale, a problem measured in the trillions of dollars, then there's a lot of opportunity to create value in XRP.
Yeah, we're talking about trillions, and in one post, quadrillions. I mean, these are huge numbers, folks. That's for sure. Okay, do we have anything else? US National XRP Reserve in 2025, 40% chance. Just in, rumors about XRP potentially becoming a reserve asset in the United States are intensifying. You are not bullish enough. A lot of conspiracy theories and connections, symbolism in XRP community exists, that's for sure. Just in, XRP ETF has just been filed to SEC. Okay. Rex Osprey files XRP ETF. XRP pumped to 3.20. Let's look at some price action over here. XRP pumped to 3.20 again. Bull trade says, as promised, I want to change someone's life and send. Okay, this is that sort of post that I'm going to be sending the money. Bank of America only using XRP for all of their transactions. They know their stuff. Random Crypto Pal, Giga Bullish. Okay. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about... Oh, just a moment. Let's check Nick's post over here as well for respect purposes as well. Okay. Remember when Ripple confirmed that US banks will want to use XRP after the victory back in 2023? I think the floodgates are about to soon be opened, with banks rushing to provide crypto services and ultimately integrate crypto into everyday processes. Ripple says US banks will want to use XRP cryptocurrency after partial victory in SEC fight. Look at this. Ripple is confident US banks will start wanting to use XRP for cross-border transactions after a judge gave the firm a partial victory in its fight against the SEC. General Consuls 2 Elderoti told CNBC. A judge ruled that XRP, a cryptocurrency Ripple is closely associated with, was not in itself necessarily a security in a development with major implications for the digital asset industry. It wasn't a total victory for Ripple. However, the judge also ruled that sales of XRP by Ripple to institutional buyers do count as unregistered sales of securities. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about both Ripple and Hedera? Do you think that they have the potential to disrupt not even trillions but quadrillions? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.